Okay, welcome back, my dear friends. Are you with me? Oh, look at this gold, my friend. What did I say in the weekly Forex forecast? And just have a look at it. And right now, I'm also from the live stream holding this cell with all of you. Okay, and this is the stop loss. So 224 pips of stop loss I gave to this one, and well, I want to get around 651 pips from this one, and maybe I can close half of it right here. Okay, so on my other accounts I'm going to close half of that. This is this market, my friends. I'm booking my profit. Okay, I booked my profit and I want to look for some quick selling opportunities, maybe from right here if I can get. See, my friends, in Forex what we do, we don't need to be forever into the market. Just book your profit and leave. Though I know it's coming down till here and then it's coming down till here, but since I get my profit, so what's the point of being into a trade? Don't need to be too greedy. Will you remember this lesson forever and ever? We don't need to be too greedy. We just need to book our profits and let it go. Okay, let me turn on the webcam. Wait, okay. So this is how profit is made. Okay, this is how profit is made. Now if we don't make profit, my friends, whose fault is this? Obviously ours. So the thing is, my friends, whenever my trade go nicely as per my expectation, my friends, the level of happiness that is like there. This is, then I say, this is my 10 years of hard work. So congrats to all of you as well for booking this profit. If you book it, if you learned it, still fine. Let's now delete everything. Okay, and let's freshly analyze it. See, this thing is very simple. Okay, the thing is very simple here, and approximately you can say here. This is the whole stuff that is going on, and inside this it was dropping and I book my profits from it. And if it is dropping, how far can it drop? Let's find out that as well. That level starting from right here, and there is a very tricky place coming. Okay, and this whole, I will be writing that especially on the intraday can be way too tricky. Okay, because some of the traders will be taking it as this impulsive wave, as this, while some will be taking it as this. I mean C as this and as this. So then we will have two Fibonacci numbers and a very big fall is expected. Okay, 45.55 has gone nowhere in this week here, and market is coming back down to retest 45.55. Okay, so till at this stage, well, yes, I'm holding sell opinion and I will be holding it throughout the week on the H1 time frame. It's simple. See, another trend got established, but I would like to, this is like, see, each time it go up, trader will think it is coming back down. Trader will think it will coming. So this is the main trend. This is another trend that formed almost today. Not today, but on 21st, and is approaching 45.55. Okay, but below this zone can be tricky, can be intraday, we will see, but at least 45.55 I want to see. So in such situations, let's see, there is an ABCD pattern as well. I mean a tiny one, but still there is an ABCD pattern. And that is completing right here, but I think 45.55, 45.60 is going to be the strong level for now for take profits for everyone who is holding sell. Then you guys say we don't make profit. See what we just did in these 2-3 hours. We made profit, didn't we? Laser FX, what made you to book the profit earlier if we are still expecting the gold to drop? Dear, I booked my profit. I booked my profit, dear. Anyone holding further sell opinion, I have a very small account, so I will only be able to trade right here. Wait, but I'm not sure if by then I will be awake or asleep. I'm definitely going for a sell if I get a chance. Oh, that this level I'm marking. You know, in the weekly Forex forecast videos, I mark a lot of levels for you. Even this sell from the last 2 weeks, I'm discussing it. Despite of it, if one doesn't understand, I don't know why that person doesn't understand. Everything is going on freely in front of you. Okay. So what do you say? This was a quick update. I was leaving that trade. And I think let's see, from tomorrow I will be, let's see. Okay, let's these things for now to make the chart clean. See, very different chart it is. Okay, this is that other trend it just formed. and this trend was broken as this. See, this is the resistance level. So, well, I'm not sure, but tomorrow, my friend, if we get a chance to sell right here, that will be good. Okay. You know, most of the traders want setups and everything in plate, but they will not be doing their own struggle and they will always be losing. My friends, positivity is something that we need to bring in our life. If we don't bring positivity, we are just gone. So, positivity is very much important in our life, and we need to wait for these setups. When we wait for these setups, automatically the setup forms in front of us, and then we trade, and then we make decent profit out of it. But this thing is, one must have to promise himself that we'll be waiting for the market. I mean, like, literally, see, my friends, is this market going anywhere? Are these candles running out of fuel? Is someone going to steal these candles? No, they will be here tomorrow. When you open your laptop, the candles will still be here. So then why always in a rush? Don't ever try to be in a rush, and don't ever make any urgency. You know, urgency, when we want to do something very urgent. Similarly, when people come right here to the forex trading, they want quick and urgent money. Well, don't make it urgent money. Easily you can make it comparative with other businesses. You can make good profits in this. But the main thing is, don't treat it as a jackpot or like a jackpot or a lottery ticket or something. No. Real business, my friend, this is. Since 10 years I'm teaching it. 4 years my practice, 14 years. So, you know, these days when I upload a video, and because mostly I focus on the education, practice I do a little bit in the live streams, but I do the practice with you as well. But when I record a video and no one watches it, it's really painful. Like, why someone will not be learning? Huh? Like, why? So my selling point is way too up. Okay. Now those who don't understand the channels, what they will do? They will do what? They will buy, but actually, as far as the market doesn't re-enter, you know, there are two concepts. See, this is breakout, means that it broke the channel. The other is retest, and on a retest another thing happens, break in. So once it breaks in, and after that break in it come back down and retest this level, then this buy will be validated. Remember. otherwise it is still a sell. But still that also doesn't mean one sell from here can sell, but not my type of a setup. This is not my type of a setup. Okay, then see you later, right? See you later. And yes, this is, it is what it is at the moment. See you. Okay, bye bye.